Hello guys, welcome to Creative Arts Academy. In this video we'll be looking at graphic designing. We would be designing something spectacular. Recall, I won't tell you what we'll be designing, we'll just start and we'll see what we'll be designing. So follow through the steps and ensure you practice whatever you watch from this video. Now the app we'll be using is Canva. If you don't have it, go and install it from Play Store. This is my Canva. So open your Canva. So this is my Canva. Next thing, I come to this plus sign and I type 2000 by 2000. So this is the size of our design. I will click on create new design. So let's see what we'll be creating in this video. So here is our workspace. You can see a plain background, plain white background. Now we'll be transforming this plain white background to something nice and spectacular. So first of all, we'll be setting our background. So come here, we go to color and we pick any color of our choice. So I'm working with blue, so let's look for any blue color that we can use. So if you are actually seeing a better color, I'll show you guys how we can also pick colors. Instead of moving this stuff around to pick color, we can just type in the color you want. If you have any color in mind, you can just come here to type in the color code. Recall, I've taught you guys color code. So type in 1C, 1C4, no, not like this, 1C4 3D, okay, 3D2, yeah. So you can see this is the color code for this color. So this is the color I want. Now I don't want this background to be just one color. I want it to be two shades of blue but in one background. So I'll make use of gradients. Come to gradient and then you can see here are two colors. So this other color, which is this one, I'll change this to, I have a color code in mind, 1E B 5FA. So you can see the color. Then this is what I want. So now look for how I will place this. Okay, this is perfect. This, I don't want it like this, I want it to be like this, where this other one will be up, be down, and this one will be up. So this is perfect. And then we are done with our background color. So I guess you saw what I did. Instead of making use of the cursor to pick a particular color, we just use the color codes to get the colors. So next thing is we are not done with our background. I have few things to add to this background because of the kind of design I'm doing. So come to gallery. I've downloaded some images already. So come to the gallery and we pick this out to page. So you can see that it has already removed the background. It didn't come into the background. So immediately we reduce the size and we bring this here. So just this photo alone, or just this image alone, have already given you an idea on the kind of design we are doing. So this is a cryptocurrency design, maybe for maybe an exchange. Yeah, for an exchange, an exchange that is into cryptocurrency. So we just place this here and let's increase it a little. Place this here and we are good. But let's reduce the transparency so it should look like it came in the background. Yeah, so I'm showing you guys now how to set up your background. So let's leave it at 30. I think this is good. Yeah, so you can see that the blue and blue outfits, everything is just perfect. The next thing is we are not still done. We are not done. So let's pick this one out to page and here it is. So let's rotate it. Let's rotate it like this, and this is good. So we reduce the size a little. And bring it here. Oh no, so let's move it to bring it here. So let's increase the size and we bring it here. So let's increase it again. I think this is good. So next thing is to reduce the transparency, because it's the background. We are using it as background, so we always reduce transparency. So I think let's also place it at 30. Yeah, so this is good. So you can see it's actually making sense. From a white background we are arriving at something. Next thing, are we done with the background yet? Okay, I think we are done with the background. So next thing is to start adding other elements. We start adding other elements. So the first we'll be adding here is our stock photo. Yeah, our stock photo, which is a man. So add this to our page, click to add to page, and here we can see the image we just added. So this is our stock photo. Let's crop it first of all before we can remove the background. Crop it. I think this is okay, so bring it down and we remove the background. Yeah, for this kind of design we are doing, this kind of flyer, we'll be using this kind of stock photo. Yeah, why I choose this man, you can see his clothes actually suit my background a little bit. You can see it's still blue, it's blue, so I think this is good. You can see his face clearly. Next thing is we place this here. So after the design we can still make adjustments, so we carry it up a little, and this is good. So next thing, are we done yet? No, I want to add an element. Let's add an element, something like this. Let's add this, and we go back and let's change the color to white, and we bring this here, increase the size and increase it to this place too, and then we try to reduce it like this, and this is good. So we bring it down here, bring it down. So this is good, yeah. So you can see how this looks now. This is wonderful. So next thing is to place this man, place him here. Yeah, so you can see how this looks like now. You can see we are moving somewhere. Now we cannot see the difference between this man and, like, you can't see where if the man is actually standing or not. So you just have to see this is the only thing you can see. So next thing is, we've gotten this, we come here, I want to add this, so we duplicate it and bring it here. Now this time around, you remember we reduce the transparency, so I have to increase the transparency. So increase this back to 100 and we rotate it, so we have it here at 0 degrees. So we reduce the size, I think this is good. Now the man is actually pointing at this as this gift card. So here is where we make adjustments. So we increase this man a little, we increase our stock photo, we increase it, and we move it this way, I think. Then we bring this here. Remember, he's pointing at this, so let's increase the size of this stuff. So we have this, increase the size again, so we have something like this. Yeah, so we send it backwards, you can see it's actually trying to enter this white layer below, so position backward, and we have this. So next thing is to this is good. So I have other things to add here. Don't worry, this stuff you are seeing here, you can see the man is showing very well that it is being cut, so don't worry, we'll fix that. Let's just add our other elements. So come to gallery and let's add this. So there's something I'm trying to build up here. Something here. So this, we bring it down and we have to remove the background. So come here, click on remove background, and it has removed the background. So we reduce the size we reduce the size, and this is good. So let's leave this first. Come back here to gallery again, and we click on this, add to page, and we crop it. First of all, crop it, and we remove background. So all of this, I've already gotten these elements. Recall I did a video on material sourcing, how you can get all these elements, especially these stock photos. So if you've not watched it, go and watch it. You understand how I got all of this. So I've already gotten all of this before I started this design, and you can see this part. We just try to crop it. So this is good. So don't mind this stuff. It won't actually show, so don't worry, just watch what we are doing, and we reduce the size. Let's make it same size with this all. Okay, let's bring this up here, bring this one up here too. So let's increase this size. I think they have the same size now. So we bring this one here. This is a Bitcoin. We bring it here, and as usual we send it to the back. So go to position and send it backwards. Yeah, and this too, we bring it here, we send it backwards. Yeah, so this is what we have. Next thing is the placement of this. So let's see how we can place this very well. I think this is good, but it's actually covering the card. So next thing is we reduce the size a little, and we carry it up, we raise it up a little, and this too, we raise it up a little, we reduce the size, and we raise it up a little. So this is good. So this is actually a cryptocurrency design for a brand that is into exchange, gift cards, cryptocurrency, and the rest of them. So next thing is I still have other elements I want to add here, so just watch. First of all, after adding your elements, you can now make adjustments. So add your element first, then you can start looking at how you can make adjustments. So we crop this, and we crop this, so we reduce the size. I think this size is good, and we bring it here. Yeah, we bring it here. Then next one, still go to our gallery, and we bring this out to page. So we crop this. You can see this is a Cash App logo. This is Cash App. The other one was Venmo. If you know all these exchanges. So we reduce the size, and we bring it here, to this side. So this is good. Next thing is the last one. The last one we're placing here is this. So okay, you can see that this one now is not giving this white. You can see now this Cash App and Venmo had white, like the number, the letter written on them. You can see V is white, this is white. So this one now, the background was removed. So we just have something to do here. Come to this element, or if you don't want to go to elements, come here, duplicate this, raise it up, and we just crop it. So we reduce the size. Let's see if this can enter here. Now I don't like the corner rounding. Let's see if it's the same corner rounding with this one. It's almost the same. Okay, we can just manage it like that. Let's manage it. So let's reduce this. So remember, I said always zoom in so you can get the perfect stuff like how you want it perfectly. I think this is good. Let's see. So there's only one way to know if it's good or not. You place it here to see. Okay, it's not good. So increase it. I think this is good, and let's confirm if it's good or not. So we place it here again. Okay, this is, let's see. So first of all, we increase this. Let's adjust these ones. Let's adjust, make some adjustments, zoom in very well so you can make adjustments, and zoom in again. So we place this at the back, send it backwards, go to position and send backward. So we send it backwards, no, forward, and this is good. So we've adjusted that, and this one, I think this one is okay too. Yeah, so now that we've gotten this, we go back, let's zoom out. Now let's place this on this white stuff, this white element we place there. So let's place this on top of the white. So as usual, go here, go to the position to bring it forward, position, and we bring it forward. Yeah, and we place this here. So we zoom in, and let's see, we send this backward, forward. Okay, I know the issue now. So this first, send this one backward. So we can now bring this here and send it backward. So this is good, and we try to place this very well. So zoom in to place it very well. We can come here to reduce the size of this. Yeah, then we come here and we place it very well. So let's look at how this is. So we zoom out to get a better glimpse of how it looks like. So this is what it looks like. However, I still need to make some adjustments in this. So I'll just bring this here, then bring this one here, and let's zoom in a little. Let's do something like this, bring it downwards. Yeah, so this one to bring it downwards. So just take your time to do all of this, like to do all these editing and placement, so that you get a better design. Don't rush your design. Calm down and do it very well, so that it will come out to be superb. And this, we first of all move this, then bring this here, and this, we bring it back here. So zoom in to place it very well. So if it's not, just crop it first, then place it. Okay, raise it up a little bit, and this is good. So just this one, move it backwards, position backward, and I think we are done with this part of the design. So this is perfect. This is perfect. Now we'll come back to our boss, the stock photo, the main stock photo, and we see how we can move him a little bit. Okay, if you place this here, now you won't notice that stuff again. Like, let's bring to, you can see this stuff here, that is you're seeing the man. So let's just, if you move this now to this side, you won't notice it again, or if possible, raise it up. Why is it being raised up, and you are not noticing it again? So we can see how we can do the placement. So let's still make some adjustments. I know what to do, so I want to bring it down a little, bring it down as it's pointing this. So I'll come to my Magic Studio, and I'll come to Magic Eraser and zoom this, and I'll erase this part. So I want to erase this part. If I erase this part, you won't be able to see it. It will not show there again. So erase. So just wait for it to finish erasing This feature is only available for those using Canva Pro. Yeah, so it has erased. Now if you bring out, you can see that it has cut out that part. So just see how we can place this here. So let's place this man now to be very well. Bring him down. So we move him to right a bit, and this is perfect. Yeah, I think so. This is perfect. So I can still see something here. If you look here closely, you will notice something. So let's go and erase that part. So we'll go to our Magic Studio and Magic Eraser, and we erase that part so that it won't show. And we erase. So just be patient while it erases that part. And it has erased it. So we come back, and now that stuff I was seeing, I'm no longer seeing it. So we can see how we can fit in the man, and we've just done something spectacular here. And it took a lot of time, though not much time, but I can see where we arrived at. Now we are done with this step. So what is the next step? The next is to come to add our heading and other typographies. Okay, before adding typography, should we add other elements? No, let's add the typographies before adding other finishing touching and other simple elements that will make the design to stand out. So the first typography we'll be adding is the heading, or we like call the title or the brand name. Okay, let me call it the brand name. So the brand name is Adex Exchange. Remember, I said this is the cryptocurrency kind of design for an exchange. So come to test and we type Adex Exchange. So we have here Adex Exchange. Okay, let me edit this. You can see there's a mistake here. Adex here. So we are using block letters or capital letter or true. Then if you place this as black on this blue background, you can see it's not showing very well. So we change it to white. Come to our colors and let's look for white, and this is white. Yeah, this is perfect. It's perfect. So if you place this like this, I don't see it as looking so good, so I'll just change it to something like this. Yeah, something like this. Then come to format and we do it like this, and we go to spacing to decrease the space, and we decrease the line spacing, and this is perfect. And then from here we go to font size to reduce the size. So let's work on our placement. Where are we going to place it? So we want to place this here. I want to place this here. We'll still work on the size of this heading. So font size, let's see what 50 looks like. No, this is no go area. 60, let's make it 60. I think this is good. 60. So here we have it at 60. We decrease this, and then let's place it very well. Yeah, so this is good. This is good. Yeah, this is good. This heading, okay, when we are done, we can see if we can modify this, there's like add some effects. Next thing is, after adding that Adex Exchange, let's add something like sweet deals now available. This is exchange, just add something good. So add something like sweet deals now available. So go to tests and let's type something like sweet deals. Okay, let's type the sweet first. Sweet, then done with this. So let's duplicate it. There's a reason for doing that. I'll tell you the reason. Sweet deals. deals now available. So this is good. So here we bring our suite here. So if you notice, we are not using much font for this. Let's just let's use our first okay, the second font to be using for this. There's one font I like using, I think is this one, Sweet Deals. Oh, let me see if this one is not good. Let me check something. Let's check for this Sweet Deals now available. Let's see. No, this is no good area. This is not for this kind of design. Okay, let's go with this one. Let's go with this. So we bring this like this, Sweet Deals now available, and this one remains like this. But if I'm not cool with this, I'll still change it. So bring this here. You can see the spacing is much. Go to spacing, reduce the space, and this is good. And we go to format, place this like this, and this is good. So let's place this here on the general, like the positioning. Though let's increase the size first. We'll place this one first before we know where I'll place this suite. So let's bring this suite to this part, and let's place this first. So let's place this here, then increase it a little, increase the size a little. I think this is good. This is good. Yeah, this is good. So come here to this suite and place it here. So let's zoom in to, place it well, and we increase the size. Then we bring it down a little, and this, okay, let's zoom in again. Let's increase size a little bit. So let's still zoom in so we can get better view and placement. You can see it's touching this, so let's just carry it up a little, and this is good. So we reduce it. Let's see how it looks like. If you make all the typography white, it's not gonna make sense. Yeah. So which other color that is significant here? You can see we have blue. We cannot use green here, is significant. You can see green here, but if you use green on a blue background, it's not gonna make sense. Let me show you guys what it means. Let's say color. Okay, let's pick green. You can see it's not making sense. Just watch. No, it's not making sense. So we'll be using maybe yellow. This orange here. This orange is also significant. So let's go to this part, color picker, and we pick out this orange color here. So you can see how the design looks like now. Looks better. So address exchange, Sweet Deals now available. Looks good. Looks good now. So next thing, we are done with this one. Next thing, what are we going to add to this design? What are we going to add? So we'll be adding something like enjoy switch rates on all transactions when you trade with us. Yeah, enjoy switch rates on all transactions when you trade with us. So let's come to this and duplicate, bring it down, change the color, change to white, and then we edit it. So enjoy switch rate on all transactions when you trade with us. So this is good, and we reduce the size. So like this. Now you can see that all our tests we actually left out bold, like they're all bold if you notice, but this one now we have to remove it. We don't want to be bold. Yeah, we don't want to be bold. So what are we going to do to this now? Come to format, and we leave it like this, and then we drag it to like this. The text is too big, so let's still reduce the size. I don't want it to be that big, and I want it to just be 2 lines. So let's see if we can make these 2 lines, just 2 lines, then reduce the size. Yeah, I think this is good. So this is good. Let's place it well. I don't want multiple colors. If not, I would have changed it to green. Okay, let's see what green looks like. Color green. Oh my god, this is not. No, don't do this. It's not showing. Then let's see what this yellow we used initially looks like. This orange, sorry. Damn, it is not also showing. So we are the purpose of a design is to pass information. So if you're using all these kind of colors and your text is not visible, you're not communicating. So you have to use color that's actually communicating. So we maintain our white. So let's maintain our white. Okay, and we have this. So you can see the design is going well. It's making a whole lot of sense now. From a white background, we arrived at this. So apart from this sweet rate on all transactions when you trade with us, what else can we add to this design? So this stuff here now, if you see all these logos, some people might not understand what they mean. So just be adding like their names, add something like Apple Pay, Bitcoin, Zelle, Cash App, PayPal, Venmo. So just adding their names, and we'll be adding them in form of bullets. So let's come here, duplicate this, and we edit. So the first one, Apple Pay. Next one is what? Next one is Bitcoin. So this is just like listing their services. This is another way to list service, or the kind of listing they trade. Yeah. So after Zelle, what else can we add? We have Cash App, and the next one is PayPal. Yeah, let's work with PayPal, and after PayPal we can add Venmo. And I think we are good with this. So I don't want to use, let's check the bullets, not here. Okay, let's check here. This bullet is showing white. I didn't want it to be white. I wanted it to be this same color with this stuff here. So let's see if we can do something like that. We can't. So this is what I'll do. I will remove the bullet and add my own bullet. Yeah, instead of using this bullet, I'll add my own bullet. So first of all, let's just place it first, then before we can add the bullet. So reduce this. So let's see how we can add this. Let's bring it down a little, down, and let's see. Should we add more of this apart from this Apple Pay, or we should just leave it like this? I don't want more many typography, so we'll just leave it like this. So come to element. If you watch the previous video, we'll be using that same kind of bullets here. We'll be using that same type. Yeah, or should we use a circle instead? Yeah, maybe we should use a circle. Let's use a circle. Let's use a circle as the bullet, so it will look like, you know, their own canvas bullet. So we have this. That's even choosing the color I want to choose. So we will use the size, we use it, and we bring it here. So imagine we have something like this. Imagine this kind of bullet. No, it will actually make design look more good and more sweet. You know, sweet deals now available, so the design is looking more sweet. If you're enjoying this video, ensure you subscribe, like, and comment. So zoom in to place this wall. You can see the line is showing that it's in alignment. I think this is good, so we duplicate and we bring it to this other side for Bitcoin, and let's raise it up a little. Duplicate again, so automatically it will just be entering, but sometimes it might not enter perfectly. Yeah, so you just place it by yourself. So just place it by yourself perfectly. Come here, reduce this one. So come here, duplicate again. We duplicate this one, and lastly this. So raise this up. Let's place it, and we have this. So if one thing you should notice now, that everything is on a straight line. Check it out. Everything is in a straight line. So ensure your elements are in alignment. If you notice, everything here, everything from this side is on a straight line. So let's zoom out and let's see how this looks like. So you can see how this actually looks like. So lovely, instead of just writing out the text like that. And another thing, should we make it bold or should we leave it like this? Let's see how it looks like when it is bold. Let's see. Let's see. So make your choice, like this or like this. If you leave it like this, it's looking insignificant. It's looking like stand out. That's what it stood out. Okay, let's leave it as bold. Let's leave it bold. And this is it. So basically, are we done? No, but we are close to done. But we are not done yet. We are close. So next thing is adding something like a WhatsApp number, or like a number they can contact. So more like the call to action side. So the CTA is call to action. So we'll come back to our gallery. We add this, add to page. So we remove the, okay, let's bring this down first. Let's just add our all of them for and continue. So add this one to WhatsApp, WhatsApp and call line. So we remove the background. We reduce the size. Let's reduce size first, then we can start looking at how we can place it. So this one too, remove background. And then bring it down. So next thing is we bring this here. We try to place this. Let's see how we can place all of this too. So we increase it a little bit. I think this size is okay. We place this one here. We increase this one size too. Increase the size a little bit. Let's see if they are the same size. I think they are the same size. So we place this one here. Let's place it something like here, and this is good. So I think they are in the same line. Yeah. So next thing is to add a number. So I'll just be adding my number to the two places. So let's just pick this, duplicate it, come here and edit. So edit it. So this is the number, and let me edit this number. Let me edit it. 2234 space 70432, and this is it. So come here to increase the size, and I want it to be bold. This one I have to be bold. Yeah, so increase the size. I think this is okay. So we'll decrease it first. But first of all, should we leave it as black, or let's leave it as blue? No, leave it as black. We don't have any black stuff here, so let's make it blue, like this color blue. Yeah, we'll be using this color blue. So that's in this. Yeah, so the size now we reduce it. Let's see 50, what 50 looks like. So 50 is good. Yeah, so we'll just duplicate it because I don't want to be adding different numbers. So this is my number. You can contact me on WhatsApp with this number. Chat me up, don't call me, just chat me up with this number. And if you need extra coaching on graphic designing or video editing or other creative skills, I'm always available. So chat me up with this number on WhatsApp and I'll respond to you. So now that we've added our CTA, are we done? That's the question. If you look, this part looks so empty and it's not nice. So what can we do? Next thing is, come here, click on this first stuff added here. Oh my god. Okay, this stuff. Yeah, so duplicate it, bring it here. So now instead of leaving it as transparent here, we increase it here. So we increase it, and now we reduce the size. So reduce the size, and then we place it something like here. Yeah, so that is for that. Okay, let's add something else. Let's add something. So come to gallery, let's add something. So let's add this. So add to page. Now if you add all of these elements, now if you put it excess, it will actually spoil your design. So this kind of elements, you don't put them excess, you just put them little, and it will give your design a very good texture and feeling. So let's see if we can crop this, crop it, and we remove the background first of all. Now that we've removed the background, you can see this X side is still showing. So come to magic eraser. So we come to magic eraser and we erase this whole the whole of this. We erase it very well. Erase it. Yeah, so we erase. So the reason I'm erasing that is because I need to do something which you will see. Okay, now that this is here, let's see is we place it. Look where we can place it. Where should we place this? Should we place it here, or let's still place it? Okay, let's place it somewhere here, but it will look like it's only blue. I'm just adding. So I can place it somewhere here. Yeah, I think somewhere here. But I will make it very, or here. Should I put it here? No. Okay, let's put it here. I'll make it very, very transparent. Very transparent. Reduce the size. So this size is okay. Then position. First of all, go to position, backward, and then go to transparency. Very let's leave it at 30, and this is good. Then duplicate it, and there was something I did, which is I needed the second part. So now I'll just crop it, bring it here and crop it. and I will go to transparency and bring it back. So we have this. Let's where we can replace this. Okay, let's place this here. And the reason I'm adding all of this because this is actually a crypto kind of design. So you just have to add all of this stuff. Showing is a crypto design. Yeah, so this is good. Yeah, this is good. Now sometimes you might just want to decrease the transparency a little or make it blur. If you make it blur, it will look like it came with the background. You get? Let's just reduce the transparency a little bit. Let's see, 70, and this is okay. This one too. Let's reduce the transparency. So it look like it came in the background. Transparency 70, and this is good. Okay, let's add one last one. So come to my gallery and let's look for the last one to add. Yes, sing this. So as usual, crop it, and we crop it this way too. Don't worry, this other Bitcoin you're seeing around, we also remove it. But first of all, remove the background. When you remove the background, you can now use magic eraser to erase those parts off. So come to magic eraser and we erase this. So this and this only. So erase, and it has erased it. So you can see it's been left alone. It's left alone now. And let's bring it here, reduce the size, take it up a little, increase the size a little bit, and we are done with that. But we will not leave that like that. So come to transparency. I want it to look like it came in the background and make it 70. And with this now, can we say we are done with this design? Yes, we are done. You can see all the elements added, how we started. And okay, I said we are going to do some finishing touches. We've already done the finishing touches, but let me experiment something on this heading. So let's go to effects. I want to experiment something, though we are done. Let's see something like this. I want to just experiment something. Okay. Let me experiment something. Just watch what I'm doing. We can do something like this, and then we reduce it a little bit. So instead of it staying plain like that, you can just make it 50. Let's see how this looks like. So between this and the previous one, which is better? So with this, you can say we are done with this design. Yeah, we are done with this design. You can see how we did it from scratch and we arrived at this. So this is just a basic crypto flyer. This is a basic crypto flyer. Yeah. As you get advanced, you will learn how to design more complex crypto flyers. Everything should be in harmony. You can see the team says sweet deals now available, and the stock photo we use, the man is actually happy, showing that really sweet deals are now available. So everything should be in harmony. If you enjoyed this video, ensure you subscribe, like and comment. So last thing we have to do is to export our design. So click here and we'll export the design. So you can see that we have finished exporting our design. You can see save to gallery. So let's go to our gallery to view this design. So this is my gallery, and I come here, and this is the design. You can see how beautiful it looks. Very spectacular. Something that was a plain background, and we arrived at this. You can see the previous design we did in the other video. Yeah, so I'll be doing more tutorials or more videos on how we can do little designs like this, little graphic design like this. And if you are enjoying the video, ensure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, like, comment. See you in our next video.